In this video, we will show you the method of taking backup of Opera Mail mailbox items and saving them as Outlook PST or EML on your local machine. We will bring you the best solution. SysInfo Opera Mail Backup Tool is a safe and efficient solution that allows users to back up Opera emails into a local drive. The software is competent enough to save the Opera mailbox into 15+ file formats. You can also migrate Opera Mail into Gmail, Office 365, and other emails clients. Some prominent key features of the software are: allows users to save Opera emails into PST, PDF, DOC, EML, EMLX, OST, CSV, MSG, TIFF, PNG formats. It also helps you to migrate Opera Mail into Zoho Mail, Yandex Mail, iCloud, HostGator Email, Yahoo Mail, IMAP, Hotmail, LiveExchange, etc. Convert single or multiple Opera folders at a time. The software supports all the versions of Windows like 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, XP, etc. Facility to preview the Opera mailbox folders before conversion. Now, let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. When you sign in with your email client account to export the Opera mailbox emails, it is required to establish a proper internet connection. Here, you can only work with this SysInfo Opera email backup tool when Opera Mail is installed on your system. A third-party app password of the chosen email client is also necessary before sign into the software. Now, let's download and install the software on your system. Then run it as an administrator. The software opens with a tree structure containing all the Opera account folders. Let's choose the folders that you want to backup or migrate. Here, you can also preview the mail and their attachments files and click Next to proceed. On Next Wizard, choose the saving option from the drop-down of Save/Backup/Migrate as options. Here, we select Outlook PST as a saving format. Check the Save in Same Folder option to make the source and destination folder the same. Remove duplicate mail allows you to delete similar emails from the chosen Opera folders. You can also back up only the emails of selected folders and exclude the attachments files. Split Resultant PST offers you a feature to split the resultant PST into multiple small-size files. Mark the Mail Filter option to perform the selective emails backup from the Opera account. Custom Folder Name, use this to assign the name of the resultant folder. After selecting the required features, click on the Path to Save button to choose the destination path to save the output files. After that, click on the Convert button to start the conversion of Opera emails into Outlook PST format. Here, you can also download the report of the saving process. Even you can move the Opera mailbox emails into different email clients. To do so, click on the Convert Again button. Now, select the desired email client from the drop-down as per your need. Here, we choose the Gmail email client. Enter the Opera email address and third-party app password. Further, if you do not have a third-party password for Gmail, you can generate it by clicking on the link below. Click on the Sign In button to proceed further. Choose the required features of the tool. Remove duplicate mail, it helps you to delete similar emails from the Opera folders. Have an option to exclude the attachment files. Mail Filter allows you to separate emails between a specific date range. Assign the resultant folder name by checking the Custom Folder Name option. Tap the Convert button to initiate the migration of Opera emails into Gmail. Now, save the report of the whole migration process using the Download Report button.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.